today we have a big video about XRP sell alert turning on right now. Bitcoin as well is showing some massive bearish warning signals that we need to speak about in today's video. And we're going to also take a look at the chart of Hedera HBAR, because I know a lot of you like HBAR as well, and also HBAR is not looking too good. I don't want to scare y'all, but the past week, the past few days for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general have not been that good, and I believe that we could go a little bit lower, because this right here is a chart of XRP. We're going to take a look at it. It shows this massive sell alert right here that turned on, and we're going to speak about what happened the last few times the sell alert turned on. XRP went down a lot, so we're going to take a look at the chart of XRP. This is HBAR right here. We're going to take a look at HBAR because it also has a sell alert, as you can tell. And we're going to take a look at the RSI and the MACDs for HBAR, XRP, and Bitcoin as well. This is a chart of Bitcoin. And also, just like XRP, just like HBAR, Bitcoin has shown a sell alert as well just a few days ago that we definitely need to speak about right now. So this video is very important. Make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, and join us. Let's get at least 1,000 likes on today's video. All of you watching, I love you all. Thank you very much. Make sure you show your support so this channel keeps growing as well. So I love you all, and let's get at least 1,000 likes on today's video. And also, right now, another massive warning is all of the speculation that we're seeing with meme coins such as Pepe coin or PP coin, whatever you want to call it. Price prediction to $1. That is the type of articles, those are the types of things that we're seeing on social media about hype meme coins, pump and dumps they could be, shit coins. And this is another signal that, hey, the market could be a little bit frothy when people are just gambling and gambling millions, hundreds and tens of millions of dollars into one meme coin project that's not really doing anything. That is a sign that we could be towards a local top. Okay, when people start gambling and there's so much extra money around just sitting waiting to be gambled. Okay, so after that we could go down a little bit more. So that is one of the sell signals, sell alerts for cryptocurrency right now. But another sell alert is literally on the charts. On the charts of what we're seeing right here, like for example XRP right now, this is a chart of XRP, and the RSI right here is sitting today at 35 as I'm recording this video. The MACD down here, as you can tell, does not look too good. It's going down. It is having a negative momentum right now. And that's going to be a common theme that you're going to see with XRP, Bitcoin, and HBAR, and cryptocurrency in general. And also right here at the top, there is a sell alert, and this momentum indicator is turned from green to red. As you can tell, the past few days right here, this circle, this right here, this line has turned red, and it used to be green. And then when that happens, usually the momentum is going to be downwards for the next few months at least. So right now, XRP could go down to about 35 cents again, to where it was right here, basically a few months ago. And that could be our first level of test. And if we break that, we could go down to about 30 cents. And if we break that for some reason, we could go down to 20 cents, because this yellow line right here is where we found our support in December of 2019. That was a very, very lowest point for XRP. It did not go down below that during the previous bear market. So that's why I say right now that is basically our worst case scenario for XRP is to 20 cents. Okay, so right now the first level of support is going to be at 40 cents. And then after that, it's going to be basically at 30 cents, 35 cents to 30 cents. And if it breaks that for some reason, it could go to as low as 20 cents. Depending on if, let's say we lose a lawsuit against the SEC, yes, XRP could go to 20 cents again, and that could be very possible because people will be very scared. So that is a possibility for XRP. And if we take a look at HBAR right now, let's move on to the next cryptocurrency, because I could speak about XRP's chart for a very long time. We could also take a look at the weekly chart as well for XRP, this right here, and I could show you a bunch of reasons why I believe that XRP could go down to this level right here, okay? Because that is where we consolidated in 2017. That is where we found our bottom here in 2019, 2020. And that is where we could find our bottom here in the next few months, potentially the next year, depending on how long it takes to play out. We could be going lower. And I'm not a doomsday scenario types of guy, okay? Me personally, just like as you're watching this video, it might sound like I'm a little bit too negative on cryptocurrencies. No, I'm not negative on crypto. I believe that crypto has a very bright future. That is why we speak about cryptocurrency on this channel every single day. But you cannot ignore the geopolitical things that are happening around the world. The signals, the economic signals, slowdowns, people losing their jobs, people not able to save money, people basically living throughout record inflation, and they cannot make it, okay? So there are so many other signals, and like war, for example, between Russia and Ukraine, and if it gets worse, then obviously that will affect the stock market and cryptocurrency markets. So I'm not ignoring what's happening in real life. I'm very bullish on cryptocurrency like XRP, HBAR, and Bitcoin. I'm very bullish on them in the future. In the next 3 to 5 to 10 years, they're going to do very well. But right now, in the short term, in the next few months, XRP, Bitcoin, and Hedera could be going lower, okay? So I just want to make that clear. I'm not super bearish, okay? I'm actually very bullish on the long term. It's just in the short term, I am a little bit bearish. So HBAR, let us take a look at the chart of HBAR. Actually, let's take a look at the chart of Bitcoin first. Okay, because Bitcoin right now, the sell alert turned on a few weeks ago, actually basically like a week ago, and this sell alert is something that helped us call the top of the market in November of 2021. That feels like such a long time ago, but this alert actually helped us call it on this channel. So that is why we still use these indicators mixed together. I use the sell alert, the RSI, which indicates how overbought or oversold something is, and the MACD also to help me measure momentum. Okay, because the MACD indicator is a good indicator for momentum, and right now it is showing that the MACD indicator momentum is going negative. We're actually about to go down below this right here. Let me make this a little bit bigger for all of you. We're about to go down negative to the negative territory, so that's not good. That's not something you want to see. And the RSI also has more room to go down. So it's not like the RSI is already all the way down here and all it has to go is up. No, the RSI right now is over here. So the RSI has room to also go down, and that will bring down the price of Bitcoin potentially down to 22,000. That is my first level of support, is about 22,000 right here, this level right here. And if we break that, we could potentially be going down to where we were in December of 2022, okay, when what happened with FTX happened. Yeah, like if something happens with a major cryptocurrency exchange, or like I said, XRP losing the lawsuit will affect the entire cryptocurrency market. If you think that XRP losing against the SEC is only going to affect XRP and that the other cryptos are going to pump and nothing bad is going to happen to them, you are wrong, okay? Because if XRP does lose and if XRP does go down to 20 cents, it will also basically be because of something happening to the entire cryptocurrency market, and it will affect cryptos like Bitcoin and Hedera, HBAR, and you name it. Again, I'm not trying to be negative on cryptocurrency. I'm just telling you about the warnings coming up. And me personally, I will be buying if we go lower, okay? I can also make this video about my upper price predictions. Like I could be like, okay, if we break up above this point right here, we could go above to about like basically like $40,000. But I truly believe that we will be going down because of what's happening around the world, like I said earlier. So that is why the video right now is a little bit negative, yes, but I'm trying to be realistic with all of you. Okay, Bitcoin could go down to about 22,000 again, because right now it's at basically 27, 28,000. It can easily go down to 22,000 again. And if we break that for some reason, we could go down to 16,000. And if we break that, then we could be going down about 12,000. Okay, I don't want to talk about that. That is potentially a possibility, but I don't want to talk about that right now. Let us just see what happens with Bitcoin. But right now it's not looking too good. Okay, that is the main point that I'm trying to say with Bitcoin, XRP, and HBAR, and other cryptocurrencies as well. The point is that it is not looking too good. All of the momentum indicators are showing that it's negative, that is going down. And let us take a look now at Hedera HBAR. Okay, Hedera HBAR also, as you can tell, is showing a big sell alert that turned on just a few days ago. This is actually fresh for Hedera HBAR. This is brand new news right now. And the last time that the sell signal turned on, it did continue lower, but consolidated, and there wasn't that much of a big drop. But the previous time that the sell indicator turned on, HBAR was at 6 cents, and it went all the way down to about 3.5 cents. So it lost about 50% of its value. Okay, so let's say we lose about 50% of our value, we could be going down all the way down to basically 3 cents and potentially 2.5 cents. You never know. You never know. And also the momentum indicators are not looking too good. The RSI is holding up pretty low at around 34. So it could go down a little bit lower, but if it basically ranges here for a few months and then starts going up, that will give HBAR time to keep going down, okay? Because if the RSI stays oversold for a long time, that will put a lot of pressure downwards on HBAR. But if the RSI just pops back up right now and we continue going up right now, then the price of HBAR, that's it. We already saw the bottom and we will continue up. So it just depends on what happens. The MACD looks already basically oversold for HBAR. So hopefully it just keeps working its way back up right now and it does not keep going down, because sometimes like it looks like it's getting better. Like right here, just a few weeks ago, it looked like it was getting better for the MACD, but then it started going down out of nowhere again. So that is something that you need to keep in mind when investing, when trading, that things can change at any moment depending on crypto specific news or macroeconomic news and geopolitical news and what's happening around the world. Those things obviously will affect cryptocurrency as well. So we need to take a look at it, at what's happening right now with both things in mind. And that is why I say that yes, I am extremely bullish on XRP, Bitcoin, and HBAR in the future. But in the short term, I believe that we will be seeing some more lows. You never know. Hopefully we don't go down below what we saw in December, but that's always a possibility. Like I showed you on the Bitcoin chart, we could be going down and testing 20,000 first and then potentially lower. And if you like this video, again, make sure you smash the like button. If you're watching up until this point, make sure the like button is white. Make sure it's blue, whatever color it is for you. I love you all. Let's get at least 1,000 likes, and I will see you all very soon. Mr. Mufleh, out.